Hello guys, this is Jatin Srivastav and here I am with a new video set of basics of SEO. So in the last class we have covered about the basics of internet, where we have learned about what is search engine. Search engine is something that helps us to search over the internet. Like Google is one of the giant search engine, followed by Bing, Yahoo we have, and others as well. Then we learn about who invented Google and when. We learn about its history. We learn about how Google works, that involves crawling, indexing, processing, giving you results. We name some of the crawlers. We know some of the basic terms of internet. We define the URL and its subparts, that is, the protocol, the domain, the extension, and the path. So all of these things we have covered in the last video. If you did not get the chance to see that video, I request you to kindly go through that video. I will provide you the link in the description. You can review it after this lecture, or you can review it prior to this lecture as well. So that lecture basically covers the basics. Okay, now this lecture will cover basics of internet, so this will cover basics of SEO. Okay, so let's get into the video. We have what does SEO stands for. So SEO stands for search engine optimization. Okay, so what is search engine optimization? The word says search engine optimization. Optimize something means making it work as per our benefit. Okay, it's known as optimization. Search engine optimization means optimizing the search engine in a way that it will show our website in top of the search result, irrespective of other websites which contain the similar content. Okay, so the meaning is clear. What does SEO stand for? Search engine optimization. What is SEO? SEO is optimizing the search engine such that it should give our website at top of the search result as compared to our competitor website. Now, what are the steps involved in SEO? So there are various steps that are involved in SEO. Basically, when we have a website, we basically follow two approaches for SEO. One is the on-page SEO, other one is the off-page SEO. I will not go in depth to that. Let me just give you some definition of it. On-page is something that we do on the website. Off-page is something that we do, behind the website. That is the promotional approach. On-page SEO contain, creating quality content, creating internal links, creating a URL which should match with the content and other as well. Similarly, off-page contain the promotional approach, in which we will doing the classified ads, that is ad posting over the internet. Then social bookmarking will be there. We will be bookmarking our website link on other platforms. Social media optimization will be there. Sure. So these are some of the steps that are involved in SEO. Then how much time does SEO take to show its results? So it basically takes 3 to 4 months, in order to show its results. Okay. Then we have what is organic result. Organic result is something that SEO give us. For example, let us just take an example here. So here we have, let's say I search about what is SEO. Okay, so when I search about what is SEO, here you can see we have the results. So what is this? These all are organic result. Okay, this is a business listing result, I guess. So these are the organic results. These are the video results that we have. Okay, so there is the results without AD. Okay, AD stands for ad, is known as organic result. Okay, the result listed here are known as the organic result. And if we move down to the video again, we have the difference between SEO and PPC. So PPC is something that is pay per click, that is the paid result that we get. SEO is organic, means the result which we get through our efforts that we have put in during this step, which are the steps involved in SEO. Okay, now next we have what is off-page SEO. So off-page SEO is something that we do promotional approach of the website, that we are doing the promoting our website on various platforms. Why we do off-page SEO is a good question. So we do the off-page SEO to increase our website presence over the internet. For example, if we take the example of Colgate, a good known brand, Why it is so much popular? Because it has its presence all over the India and all over the world as well. That is why people trust him. Similarly, in order to gain the trust of Google, what we are going to do, we are going to paste a website link on other websites. Okay, so through which we will call it as off page, but in the whole we are doing is promotion and we are increasing our presence over the internet. Okay, now approach while doing the off page SEO should be though to not only to throw your link on every website. If you are going to paste your link on every website, then it will result into spam. Okay, you should post your link on the relevant website. For example, if you are working on a fashion industry, go and visit a fashion website, ask them if you can prepare an article for them, and in return you can post your website link on their website blog. Okay, second way could be go to the classified ads website, social bookmarking website, which give you access to post your link. Okay, so this is how the approach we are going to undertake under the off page SEO. Then the techniques under off page SEO, techniques involve generating either the no follow link or the do follow link. So we have two types of link here via off page SEO that we will get. One is the no follow, that Google never follow. Second one is the do follow, that Google follows. Okay, we will go in depth later on. First of all, you can search to the web regarding the definition of what is no follow and do follow links. Strategy is covered under the tech approach that we are going to cover for off page SEO. Similarly, as I have introduced you with the link, so we have link is something that connects two things. For example, if there is my website, I posted my link on other website. So what is happening here? It is creating a link between those two websites where I have posted my website and my website. Okay, so we have incoming versus outgoing. If someone clicks on the second website and comes to my website, it will be an incoming link for me, and for that second website it would be a outgoing link. Okay, then we have terms like DA, PA, PR. DA stands for domain authority, means the value of the domain. Okay, we have page authority, the value of the page. We have page rank. So these two cover, DA and P are covered by MOZ, MOZ, which is a authority that gives you the score, and PR is determined by Google. Okay, PR depends on DA and PA. If you have good PR, then you have a good DA and PA as well. Backlink, if someone click on the second website and comes to my website, then for that second website it would be a outgoing link, and for me it would be a backlink, or you can say that it would be an incoming link. Incoming link is equal to backlink. Then strategy for generating backlink should be, you should not be spamming every website by spreading your link on every website. No, the process should be qualitative, means the relevant website should be picked for generating backlink. Okay, link juice, if that website, second website, have a good DA and PA, then actually you will get some value. If you are successful in posting your website link on their website, holding a good DA and PA and giving you a do follow link. Remember, getting a no follow is easy thing, but getting a do follow from a quality DA PA website is hard. And once you get that quality do follow link, then you will get a good quality link juice as well. So no follow, which Google never crawls. Do follow is with Google crawls and gives you good link juice. Similarly, we have internal and external link as well. Internal link is something that helps you navigate within your website. External link is something that direct you some other website. Let's just take an example of a Wikipedia website here. Let me just open the Wikipedia. Yeah. So this is a Wikipedia website. This is a top article on online advertising. So what will happen here? So these are all hyperlinks. Okay, so these are all the internal links. If I click on the word marketing, if I click on the word promotional, what is happening here? It is redirecting me within the website. Okay, within the website where they have listed more about marketing. Okay, so these are all the internal links that Wikipedia have. Similarly, Wikipedia have external links as well. If I go below to the references section, where they have listed basically from where they have taken these articles from, So there are all the references section. If I click on it, what will happen? It will redirect me to the other website, that is iab.com. So this is an external link for the Wikipedia, okay, and this would be a backlink for iab.com because they have got a link from Wikipedia. So this will be a backlink for IAB. This would be a external link for Wikipedia. Okay, so you have to correlate them. What is external, what is internal? Okay, I hope this is clear now. If you are clicking on a link and you are within your own website, then it would be an internal link for you. If you are getting to the other website like iab.com, then it would be an external link for you. This is internal, external. Now the other we have, that is backlink. So what is happening here, this website have a link posted here. Okay, when you're clicking here, you are going to their website. It would be a backlink for them. Okay, for this website iab.com has a backlink on Wikipedia. So let's check this, if this link is a no follow or do follow link. You have to click on the inspect word, and in the element you will find here under the rel tag that this is a no follow link. So Wikipedia have declared it at no follow. Okay, so Wikipedia is quite clever here. What they have done, they have given the backlink here, but they have declared it as no follow. Means this website will not get any link juice from Wikipedia. And if we compare it with the internal links that Wikipedia have, so they might have declared it them as do follow. Let's just check this. Oh, this is an internal link of Wikipedia. If you click on it, you will remain in their website only. Click on inspect and check this out. They have if the rel tag is not present here, it means by default it is a do follow link. If rel tag with equals to no follow is written here, then it would be a no follow. If nothing is given or a do follow is written, then it would be a do follow link. So this is how it works. Okay, I hope this example might have cleared your doubt as well, if you might have any. Okay, if you still have any doubt, comment me and I will get back to you with much more comprehensive information. Thank you so much for giving your time today, and looking forward to your presence on the next video. Thank you so much.